Get your ginger, you slice it, and also get your onion. You slice your onion as well, and get your garlic. You slice your garlic as well. Put it in a pot, steam it for 20 minutes on a very low heat. After you done steaming it, you sieve it out. After sieving it out, make sure this excess will not enter inside. Then you proceeded in adding your honey. Add your honey. After you add your honey, then you go ahead and stir it. You go ahead and stir it. Give it to your baby morning and night. Watch that cough that refuse to go. That cough will disappear. This is what I have been using for my kids, and I can tell you it does wonders. Both cough and cold, even catarrh, it will go.